If your check engine light suddenly popped on and your scanner is reading P0114, don't panic. This is actually a super common issue, and in most cases, it's an incredibly easy, budget-friendly fix. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what code P0114 means, the 5 warning signs to look out for, and a step-by-step DIY guide to fixing it right in your own driveway. Welcome back to the channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and completely stress-free. If you want to save money and take control of your garage, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. What is code P0114? This code means your car's main computer, the ECU, has detected an intermittent input signal from the intake air temperature, IAT sensor. Think of this sensor as your engine's thermometer. It measures the temperature of the air entering the engine, so the computer knows exactly how much fuel to mix with it. If that signal is cutting in and out, the computer gets confused. The 5 common symptoms. When this happens, your car will usually start acting up. Here are the 5 classic symptoms you'll notice. 1. The check engine light. Your first warning. The computer spots a weird voltage drop and flips the light on. 2. Terrible fuel economy. Because the computer is guessing the air temperature, it usually errs on the side of caution and dumps way too much fuel into the engine. 3. A rough idle. You might feel the car shaking or running unevenly while you're sitting at a red light. 4. Weak acceleration. You step on the gas, but the car feels sluggish, heavy, or unresponsive. 5. Hard starts. Since air temperature matters most when waking the car up, you might struggle to get the engine turning over, especially on cold mornings. So what causes this? Most of the time, it boils down to damaged, frayed, or loose wiring, a dirty or corroded plug connector, a completely dead IAT sensor, or in rare cases, a glitch in the car's computer itself. Before you go buying expensive new parts, let's look at 2 simple DIY steps to fix it. Step 1. The IAT sensor check. You can usually find your IAT sensor mounted on the air intake tube, near the throttle body, or right on the intake manifold. Carefully unplug the electrical connector and remove the sensor. Give it a good look. Is it covered in oil, dirt, or engine gunk? If it's dirty, that might be your issue right there. Next, grab a standard multimeter to test its electrical resistance. Look up your vehicle's specific year and model online or in your manual to find the correct resistance range. If your multimeter reads completely outside that range, or jumps around erratically, the sensor is fried and needs a replacement. Always check the wiring harness first. A lot of people buy a brand new sensor, plug it in, and the light stays on because they didn't realize a wire was snapped or chewed through further down the line. Check those wires. Step 2. Inspect your air filter. Unrestricted airflow is key for a happy sensor. Locate your engine's air filter housing. It's usually a prominent black plastic box under the hood. Pop the clips or undo the screws to open the cover. Be careful not to tug on any nearby vacuum hoses or wires. Pull out the old filter and take note of which way it was facing. If it's caked in dirt, that's choking your intake system. Before dropping a new filter in, use a vacuum or a rag to clean out any dead leaves, dirt, or debris trapped inside the bottom of the housing box. Drop the new filter into place. Make sure the rubber seal sits perfectly flush, and button the cover back down tight. Once everything is clean and hooked back up, plug your skin tool back in, clear the P0114 code, and take the car for a quick drive. If that check engine light stays off, congratulations, you just fixed it yourself. If this video helped you save a trip to the mechanic, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves to DIY, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, stress-free car tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to fixing your own car, you've got this. See you in the next video.